This dish is done. Oh yeah.
Cooking channel.
All right, let's cook, Mouse.
Savory.
All right.
Tasty.
How about the chicken feet?
Recipe.
Good night.
Anytime.
Bye.
Hello.
Early. Always enjoy life to the fullest.
You enjoy my cooking channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Panlasa ni Tisoy. As you can see, we have another dish to make. So I'm making Tortang Okra. So ingredients for this dish are minced garlic, onion, 2 eggs, some okra, pepper, and salt. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright? Alright, so the first thing we do is we boil water. And we're going to boil the okra to get it soft. Okay, that's done. So we're gonna put this away. Alright, now we're gonna do the next step. Alright, so we're going to the next step. Alright, we're gonna cut the okra like so. Alright, put that on the side. And cut all of them this way with a fork. Some people like to use knives, that's fine too, but I prefer using the fork. You want to keep the seeds in there because that's where the flavor is at. We're gonna beat the egg, or the 2 eggs that we have.
So here's to Tortang Okra, our humble star. A simple meal that travels far.
Of course, we're gonna put salt and pepper in the egg. Mix it up. So now we're gonna transfer this to a bigger container. And we're gonna put our garlic, our minced garlic, and our onion. And we're gonna mix that up. Alright. Now we're gonna put the okra in there before we do the torta. Alright, now we're going to our next step, guys. On a heated pot, pour your oil. Enough oil to fry your torta. So I'm using avocado oil. You don't have to, but that's just my oil of choice. And then you want to put your okra in the egg mixture, like so. Alright. We're going to put all the okra in there, guys, just to let you know. I'm just showing you how it's done. We're going to put one for now. Try to piece this off. Nope. Not hot enough yet. Alright, so I'm going to put one okra, put another one there. You don't want the flame too high. You want to open the okra a little bit, just like so. 5 okras for now. There you go. And now we're gonna put our onion and garlic with egg on top, like so. This dish is done. Alright, we're gonna try this Tortang Okra. I have two sauces here, well, not sauce. I have ketchup, regular ketchup, and I have pinakurat. I love this vinegar right here. So, we're gonna put the pinakurat here. If you don't like vinegar, that's fine, you can use ketchup. So I'm gonna try both of them. Anyways, let's see how this turned out to be. Let's get eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one right here. Try it out. We're gonna try it with the pinakurat first, or the vinegar. Come on. Here we go. To me, pinakurat is the one. So I just bought this ketchup and it's not open yet. Alright, I'll put some ketchup in there. Wait. I should have shaken the ketchup first. Alright, here we go. Try with ketchup, of course. Some people don't like vinegar. I prefer the vinegar. Alright, here we go. Not bad. Ketchup's actually not bad. Anyways, that's how we make Tortang Okra. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. And like I always say, live life to the fullest. We never know if we're gonna wake up tomorrow. Enjoy life. Enjoy it with your families, your loved ones. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, mahalo, and aloha.